Hi everybody, welcome back to another video with Royalsoft Games. Today in this video, as many people commented in my previous videos, that how can we record the internal song of casiotone? And you may wondering why people want to do this when they can use MIDI. The answer is that some people use the dance music mode on casiotone to create EDM music mixes, and therefore they unable to use that in MIDI, so they want to record the internal song that they are creating with the casiotone, the internal sound of casiotone. And I'm going to show you that's very easy. Also, for people who like the internal sound of casiotone and they like to use the 400 tones and rhythms of casiotone to play their music, and they're looking how they can record the music that they played on casiotone instead of recording a MIDI sound which is generated by uh, your computer. And if you don't have an audio interface for MIDI, the sound quality is not as good as the sound quality that casiotone is creating. So you may be wondering how you can record the internal sound. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do this. However, I'm going to show you this method, but I'm going to show you also another method you can use at the same time with the same step. What you need is two aux cable. But you can use, the reason two aux cable we're using is because when we record the music, I want to hear the music through the casiotone speakers, because I think the casiotone speakers are having enough quality to play my music louder and with higher quality, because the speakers are created for a keyboard and the piano song you play. But because computer speakers, they tend to have a little bit more bass, so that creates sometimes a problem. But if you want to record the song and listen to it with your own speaker, which is connected to your PC, you're more than welcome to do that, and that doesn't create any problem. So you only need one aux cable. In this video, I'm going to play the song both from my computer speaker and from casiotone speaker. And so I will use three aux cable, one from my speaker to my PC, one from casiotone to PC, and another input from casiotone to PC. So in the back of casiotone, what we have is audio input and audio output. Audio input is when you connect your PC, you want to hear your PC sound through your keyboard speakers. So audio input, and we go to headphone on PC. Okay, that's. And then the other aux cable is to record the sound. So we have an audio output on the keyboard, right? So we connect the aux to audio output, right? And then the other aux, what we do is on behind of my PC. I think you can only do these, yeah. You can either do that, let me tell you. If you have a gaming PC or any other PC with a tower, a gaming case, then your motherboard has the audio input. That means you're inputting the sound to your motherboard. Outputting from keyboard, inputting to motherboard. So you connect the aux to input. Okay, so now I connected that to audio input. Or on some motherboards, they have line in. So you connect the output to line in of your that. And if you're having a laptop that's a bit harder, you can use your microphone. So you connect your audio output to your microphone, which is right there, microphone. But that's for laptops. For PC, we're just going to use audio input. Now what we need to do is we turn on the keyboard. We can immediately play. see when I'm playing right now, there is no sound, right? It's not on it's on local control, but there is no sound. Why? Because I connected it to the audio input. You can see if I take off this one, you can hear. But now we need to go to PC and do something so we can hear it. Okay, let me get my mouse. Okay. So we see line in. I click, which device did you collect in? Line in, I click OK. And right when I click OK, I can hear the sound coming from my speakers. So when I increase, I can hear the sound from my speakers. Now, if for some reason this does not pop up for you right here, line in, and you click OK, on some older version of Windows 10 or other sometimes it doesn't pop up. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Nobody shows this in YouTube and I found this by myself. So what you need to do is you go to Control Panel, right? Control Panel. In Control Panel you have a Hardware and Sound. You go to Hardware and Sound and then you click on, Sound. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see better. So you click on Sound and on Sound, and then this pops up, right? You close Control Panel, and then on right here when this pops up, we go to recording. Okay, so when I clicked OK on the bottom right there, this was disabled, right? Line in was disabled. When I click OK, they enabled line in. So right now when I disable line in, you can see when I'm playing, no sound is coming out. But when I enable that line in, so you go to Control Panel, Sound, and you go here to Recording, line in, right click on line in and click Enable, and then you can hear that the sound is coming from your speaker. Okay, now that the sound is coming from speaker, I want the sound to also come out from my keyboard. So I have so what I do is, so when I unplug and I'm plugging back the input, this pops up and I click OK. When I click OK, it activates the speaker to the casiotone speaker. And now this means that we can hear the sound through casiotone speakers. But for people who are not having, they don't want to use a casiotone speaker and they just want to use their PC speakers, I'm going to disconnect this for this video. I'm going to just use one aux, and this is simpler for you to understand. And we are going to hear the sound of casiotone through the speakers. Okay, now we want to see how we can record this sound. And that's another hard part. For example, I'm playing a song, now I want to record. For this part, we need something, because right now when we are playing, the sound is going to system. I don't know if you understand or not. The sound is system sound. So if we need some recorder that records system sound. So one of the best recorder, there are plenty of them out there, but one of the best one that I found was any MP4 recorder. And I think they have a free version of this one, any MP4 recorder. So this any MP4 recorder has a video recorder and an audio recorder. Video recorder is for screen recording, we don't need that. Right here we need an audio recorder. We click on audio recorder, and right here we have two options. System sound, microphone. We don't, if you want sing along, you can turn on microphone. But if we just want to record the keyboard, we turn off the microphone and we just have the system sound on. Now it's simply easy. We click record, and what we do, play our song. So I'm just having fun, not actually playing. Or we just want to go to dance music and record also the dance music, and we play voice. And then for example we go to 11 and we play. So that was playing, right? Now we played and we recorded our dance mode. We just click end and the sound is right here. You can save it anywhere. Let's hear it. Okay, so as you saw, we were able to record the internal sound of casiotone using one aux cable and hearing it through our speakers. So one more time I'm going to say a summary of this for people that didn't understand. So what you need to do is you need to connect an aux cable to your output from your keyboard to input or line in for your PC, or if you're using a laptop, you just plug it into your microphone jack. And then you go to Windows. If that icon pops for you, you click OK on line in, and that automatically enables the sound for you so you can hear it through your speakers. In case if that does not happen, what you need to do is go to control panel, sounds. In sounds you go to recording and you right click on line in and enable line in, and there you can hear the casiotone sound through your speaker. For laptop users, however, since you don't have a line in and you connect to your microphone, when you go to control panel and recording, you right click on your microphone and you click enable, and then you can hear your line in. Also, after that, in order to record, you need an application that records the system sound. In order to do that, I used any MP4 recorder, and using that application I was able to record the system sound, and from there we were able to record the internal sound of casiotone s200, s300, or even s250. I hope you like this video. If you want me to create any other video, feel free to comment below and the name of the video you want me to create, and I will simply create that. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe, and have a good day.